Good morning. I have so much to fill you in on. I don't really know why I'm filming in the mirror. Let's just turn this around. It's been a couple of weeks. It's been a couple of mad weeks, stressful weeks, weeks full of tears and stress and more stress. But it's okay because we're coming out the other side, which is amazing. So Steph and Maverick, little Mavy Moo, are coming to Bristol today with me because we are going to get best friend matching ear piercings. We think we're going to get one here or here. I'm going to get my third holes done as well because I have always wanted 3 like earring holes, and then my second ones have closed up just on this side, so I'm going to get that re-pierced. Hopefully they can push it through the same hole because I don't want loads of holes in my ears that are redundant. Then we're going to go to IKEA. You can take dogs in IKEA, which is amazing. So we're going to put Mavi in the trolley with his little bed and we're going to take him around IKEA. What people don't realise about renovations, or what they don't show you on Instagram, is you have to move everything from that area to a bedroom. So I'm doing the whole downstairs. So my whole downstairs had to be moved upstairs into the front bedroom. And it's literally was like floor to ceiling, piled high. Like I looked like a hoarder. If anybody on the outside looking in didn't realize I was doing building work, they would have been like, that girl needs serious help. Like she needs to be on a TV program because it looked that bad. So I did keep the blinds closed just in case. So yeah, that was so much fun. And then I had to rip up the carpet. So I'm about to take the carpet to the tip. And before we go to Bristol, you know, trying to like do a little route. My eyelashes look weird. But anyway, let's get dressed.
Oh, fuck my life.
Wakey, wakey, rise and shine.
My alarm didn't go off.
Oh, well, I'm your alarm, so...
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
She's always late, always. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen like the process of the kitchen and my bedroom and stuff. But I'll show you. So this is what we have so far. We've got the end panels on the island. As you can see, it's like a grey-green colour. We've got the worktops, the quartz worktops on. The chimney base is just being put in. We're gonna have like a coving detail shelf like here. We've got one shelving bit in here with a bit of T&G. Then we've got the coffee, well, my tea station because I don't drink coffee. Here, this is what we've got so far. It's really looking, it's like starting to actually look like a kitchen rather than just like units that have just been plonked here. I've painted all the lounge, I've painted the kitchen, I painted the kitchen ceiling. I was right, I don't know if you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know, but I bought some paint from Lick, and when it arrived, I started painting this wall and the lounge, and I was like, oh no, I don't know if I like the colour. It was more yellow. Well, it was supposed to be more grey, but it came out actually more yellow, and I really didn't want a yellow toned paint. I like things neutral, and I like things neutral or cool toned. I don't really like anything too warm. So anyway, they were really lovely, and they sent me a new batch. And I don't know if you can see, I did one stroke here. Oh, you can kind of see, can you see the outline here? I know it's really subtle, but it makes such a difference. So I had to repaint everything with the new batch of paint. You know, it is what it is. And then this bit is gonna be the little dining area. I was worried that it actually wasn't gonna be that big, but I think that's like enough space to have a table pushed against the wall with a bench underneath it, and then either a bench again or a couple of chairs. I'm gonna try and get like a longer, thinner table just because I don't want it to be really closed off in this gap. I know it's not a massive area, but I think it'd be fine. The light is being hung up tomorrow. The sockets are being changed. We're gonna have pendant lights tomorrow. I'm having like LED lights as well that go underneath the cupboards, and then I'm having lights that go into the cupboards as well. which I think will be pretty cool. Right, I'm going to fill the car up with the carpet and get to the tip because we've got loads to do today. Maverick, hello! Got the gang here. We're going on the motorway, so I probably won't put it on that because it goes really loud.
Will it like vibrate?
Yeah. I'll tell
Probably
Matt,
not then.
yeah.
Puppy's first trip to the Cabot Bridge.
Come on, Mum.
Why am I walking sideways?
If you know, you know.
Literally.
Hey, hi. What are you doing? Hey, good boy. Yeah. Yes, you are. Hey, little boy. Are we confusing you? This is what he
Point of view.
Hello, little boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yes, don't eat the microphone. Steph is
We're gonna let him mooch because otherwise he's not gonna get much of a walk. You can trolley push.
No, I just need utensils. Yeah, and I need plates, mugs, cutlery, just
Nice.
and fake chicken.
Chickens are so gross.
No, I
Use that.
keep catching my ears. Looks good though.
When that one?
He'll start humping it now. Wait for it. You got a new toy?
There we
Did
go.
you get a new toy? Yes. Did you? Oh my god, guys, I've just got home and my ears are burning. Like they feel like they're on fire. Oh, they're so sore. My hair keeps getting tangled, so I'm gonna go and put my hair up. I just ordered myself a Chinese because I'm gonna be spending loads of money today. I may as well just carry on the fucking trend. So yeah, I've ordered myself a Chinese. I've got some crispy chili beef, some seaweed, some prawn crackers, and some chow mein. You okay? I know, so many boxes. I really just want to get this house stuff done. Like I feel like I haven't put any effort into my job as a content creator. Like haven't really been posting. I'm going to go to the Roxy Nafusi workshop in February and I'm so excited. I bought a ticket and I just think it's like something that I need at the start of the year to like keep me on track with things. I feel like I need to hold myself accountable for work things and just things going on in my life, you know, like I'm never consistent with things. That's one of my downfalls. If I think it's not working, I just kind of stop. Like I will start doing a certain type of videos and then I'll be like, oh, they're not getting viewed, like people don't enjoy them. And then I'll just stop doing them. Whereas I need to just like have that push again that I used to have when I first started, that kind of, you know, you become your own cheerleader and you are pushing yourself and you see the potential in yourself rather than waiting for someone else to see that. So I kind of just need to give myself like a bit of a kick up the arse and do that. So hold me accountable, please. I need some extra encouragement. Okay, this is my Chinese. Yum. I am so excited and so relieved to show you the kitchen, lounge, diner. It is finally basically, like most of it is finished. I've just got to add some soft furnishings and just like my little decor touches. But I am so happy that it's finally done. I don't want to hold you up. I'm gonna show you the kitchen, but first, really quickly, I just want to apologise for not being on YouTube for the last month. It has been hectic and wild, and I just had to give all of my time to doing this renovation. As you guys know, I did all the decorating myself. I did lots of filling in, like I filled a huge gap that ran all the way around the room. Caulking, I was painting paneling, I was painting the lounge, I was painting the kitchen, I was painting the ceilings, the walls. Yeah, it has been full on, but I am now feeling much better. I feel like I can relax a little bit more, I can breathe, and I can finally jump back on to doing and making content for you guys, because I have missed it so much. Let me know in the comments if you had a lovely Christmas and New Year. Let me know what you got up to. I honestly just did this. That's literally all I got up to. Me and my sister were up until 2 AM the night before Christmas getting it all ready and sorted. I've still got a headache because it's midnight right now and I've just finished cleaning, tidying, sorting, but yeah, it's done, and I actually can't wait to go and buy loads of organizers for all the cupboards. So I'm going to do and organize my new kitchen with you guys, so we can have a look to see if we can find some cool things to organize the cupboards with. But okay, let me show you. I am so happy. Let's sneak peek. Let me hide. Don't look yet. I hope I've got a good angle. Are you ready? Oh, hang on. Here it is. Oh my God, I love her so much. Honestly, guys, this is just my dream come true. I can't even cope. I love it so much. Happy. I am so happy. Like it looks so much better than I envisioned it to look. It just looks, I don't know, I literally could cry. It just looks amazing. I can't believe like I've done this. Like I know I had help from my mum because she's amazing at doing interiors. She's not interior designer or anything, but she's just always had a little flair for it. But like I picked out all the lights, I picked out like the tap, I picked out the worktops, I picked the color, I picked the door handles, like I picked the sockets, I picked, you know, I picked the beading on the doors. Like I don't know, like I just feel really proud of it. To be a young woman who is on their own, dealing with builders and quotes, and yeah, like I am proud of myself. I think people don't talk about it enough, actually, how hard it is to work with builders, or at least find builders, especially when you're a woman. I also have made friends with all of the builders. Like I honestly can say hand on my heart that I have found like a really good team of builders in North Somerset who I would recommend to everybody. They've been great, they're amazing, they are truly amazing at what they do. And they don't get enough recognition for their work. I mean, they're always busy, but you know, like when you have companies, you know, massive companies that I went to get quotes, they would never have made me a kitchen like this. And if they did, it would have cost 3 times the amount that I paid. I went to a local carpenter, a local builder. I'm gonna leave all of their details in the description box below. They also do, so the carpenter also does wardrobes, bedrooms, kitchens. He will be doing my utility, and I'm gonna see if he'll do some sink units for me, but he makes everything by hand. So like all of the beading on my doors, he cuts that out by hand. All of the tongue and groove, he did that by hand. Like it's just so clever. I can breathe, I feel free. The only thing I would tell anybody to do differently is move out. I would never live in a house and renovate it again. Like doing your dishes in the bathtub and like coming down and making a cup of tea while squelching in cement and mud, and yeah, it wasn't nice. But I am so lucky, and I'm just, yeah, I feel really grateful. I'm just so excited to enjoy it now. I have my sofa on order. It's going to be about 8 weeks because COVID, everything's been pushed back, and same with materials, like everything just took much longer. So it's fine. I've got half of the grey one currently being used. The other half is in the garage. I am going to sell this sofa. I do love it though. I love it so much. I was gutted that it was a bit too big for the space. So I've gone for a 3-seater sofa with a little footrest. I will get a coffee table I need to get some blinds, and I need to get a new table. This is just, this is a barbecue table, you know, like one of those tables that you just like unfold at a car boot or barbecue season. I just whacked a tablecloth over it, and these chairs are from my sister's old flat that she had them storing at my granddad, so I went and stole them, and I'm using them now. And I have this one lone bar stool for me, so I need to go get bar stools and stuff. So yeah, I've got to like dress it up. The cupboards are empty. Yeah, this lighting here is so nice. It is so nice. I'm gonna have to like do all my videos like crouched down. No, what was I gonna say? When I do my organized, oh my God, look at me. I think like the way that I look at the moment could probably tell you how like stressed and how hands-on I've been. But when I do my organize my kitchen with me, we will go through how I'm gonna dress the kitchen as well. So I'm gonna try and get some bits for that, because I've got a few like tricks and ideas about how you can make everything look luxury, but it not actually, you know? I'm gonna leave this video here. And again, like I'm so sorry I've been so slow on YouTube. However, I have got another video coming up this week, I would hope so. I have got another video coming out this week, and it's how I'm resetting for New Year's. It's just a bit miserable here in the UK in January. I think January is just a struggle month in general. So let's use January to kind of recoup and set some goals and just reflect on the past year. So I will go into more detail with you in the next video. I actually think I'm going to post it the day after this video. So if you're watching this, then it may be up already. So yeah, head over there and we'll chat more about that. But I will see you next time in a more fun, exciting, fashion and beauty filled vlog. So until next time, guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.